lately, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Making back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, off his back. While I rap, not to step, through a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get to die, that I'm right, yeah. Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, and I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real time. Talk about the real climb, passionate and real rhymes. Real time, back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
and I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro.
Oh, tempat sampah kok. Kami di mana nih, Pung? Di Kor apa? Di apa namanya? Rindam Bukit Barisan. Di belakang aku banyak orang-orang terdampar. Hah? Beli kopi. Lihat, ini penjual kopinya.
Tapi kayak program pensiun, kopi.
Kamu tengok nanti ya di kisaran cendol. Masih panas?
Panas. Gokil, ha.
Lumayan lah, teh kuku. Banyak airnya nih, Rum.
Gah, pasti ya.
Pengungsi Rohingya. Jadi ini lagi persiapan, nggak apa-apa lah. Jadi ini mamanya lagi persiapan make up tuh mau jumpa anaknya. Udah berapa lama nggak jumpa, Kak?
Tiap malam jumpa sebetulnya. Tiap malam. Oh ini dulu aku mau kau belum berbeda nggak nampak. Udah pasang deh. Lepas ini udah nggak nampak belum pasang lagi. Makanya kakak putih dari sini ngambilnya.
Berapa bulan? Nah. Video. Oh, oke. Jadi udah persiapan orang ini. Ada yang baru bangun. Gini. Nanti orang ada.
Walah.
Kalian tinggal?
Nggak ada.
Jauh.
Ampun.
Pikir awak yang paling rame, ya kan? Rupanya ada lagi tadi bus itu ah.
Iya.
Dia ada tadi bus. Mari. Komandan. Jadi orang tua harus siap. Aku pertama kali masuk sini baru. Hah? Baru berapa kali?
Baru 2 kali. Halo.
Baju apa? Mana orang itu? Semakin siang.
Ya, lepas bawah dulu, Bu.
Rendam.
Yes.
Kelas. Wih, ini mobil dari dalam, ramai kali. Wah,
Ini naik cover dari mobil.
berarti pelantikannya sini.
Iya. Balikan ke sini.
Hah?
Aldi. Aldi.
Secaba.
Tunggu lihat dulu kita di sini.
Mana turunnya?
Merosot, Bu. Merosot. Awas di sini, Bu. Itu.
Di mana jalannya? Kita
Itu.
jalan lagi deh.
Spanduk.
Itu di Palang.
Bisanya ini. Malu tapi dia mau masuk apa? Video. Berondak dia. Nah. Ngomonglah, cakap. Halo. Hei. Siapa namamu?
Kita
Kelas berapa?
4
Kelas 4. Sekolah mana?
anak lo.
Hah?
Anak lo.
Anak lu mana?
Pasar lama.
Pasar Lama.
Anak
Oh.
lu pasar lama.
Sekolah baru itu.
Baru.
Jangan jalan dulu. Jangan di jalan.
enggak tenang dulu ya. Soalnya lega.
Ada di dalam.
Ada motor. Aduh. Siapa sih? Sur ya. Sur. Aduh, mana abangnya?
Boleh. Senyum. Pasti senyum.
Bang. Pipi teguhan nang kau nak. Boleh kau.
Ya.
Yung na nampak lah, yung na nampak. Lari tadi. Dah. Panah lain ada. Iya kan, Bu? Oh, berarti sama mungkin. Oh, pegang. Iya. Pegang sama.
Kenapa kan?
Pipi berarti, Bang? Iya, pipi sama Cen. Oh, kan lima. Kalau mau nih, mah.
Mana stick ini? Sini. Ini wajah anak kamu. Ada yang tanya kamu kan? Itu mau diangkat loh, Rehan. Diangkat semua, Rehan.
Jelas Bang, nggak nampak.
Enggak kenal lagi.
Tanya kamu. Ada anak boleh.
Kompis ya? Kompis ya?
Nggak nampak tak boleh.
Jaga kerapian, jangan sampai merusak barisan. Banjar dan sapnya harus diluruskan.
Tanda mukanya.
Kenapa kok nggak ada? Belum ada.
Dan gaya perkasa,
Kodi.
Pedoman kita.
Hutan rawa laut di tempat itulah sahabat kita. Semangat membara, tak pernah menyerah.
Belum ada. Ada apa? Itu ada lagi. Ada tuh.
Dapat. Nah, ambil
Tinggi si
ini.
Reja.
Hah?
Tinggi si Reja.
Itu dia, itu.
Itu dia. Iya ini tengah. Bukan. Iya dia. Hah? Tanda. Enggak tanda. Ini.
Sama Kakaknya kayak kemana kok? Mama. Inilah satunya mama. Kami yang kereta tadi.
Oh, ini dia. Pinggir. Ah, ini dia. Itu pinggir.
Saja semuanya urusan. Saya tahan sakit sampai masuk rumah sakit. Saya tahan
Ada. Aku yakin udah.
Mengapa dulu kau bilang I love you kepadaku, tapi sekarang tiada gunanya. Prajurit nikmat
Mana peran ayah?
Maju, jalan.
sayang saja jika penuhi bawa semangat berkobar di dada.
Oh, ini dia.
Oh, sebelah ambil ini ya.
Ini. Reja.
Dulu aku bercita-cita menjadi seorang tentara muda.
Itu bukan.
Itu lagi ada lagi itu. Ada lagi itu.
Nanti di
Sana lah. Maksa kali mau naik Reja ya.
Reja. Tengok kak, tengok kak. Tunjukin gini kertasnya. Nah, Reja. Oke. Kita dapat nomor antrian 176. Ini dia. Minggir sedikit. Nampak?
Bergembira, selalu gembira. Hilangkanlah rasa sunyi sejauh-jauhnya. Hilang rasa sunyi. Bergembira, prajurit nikmat. Mengapa dulu kau bilang I love you padaku, tapi sekarang kalian membeso sayang setelah tahu.
Bikinnya paling mau bagaimana lagi? Beta penggalis menurut kata setengah mati. Kata sejarah beta dari dulu-dulu terpisah tentang jauh-jauh. Orang penggalis marah, kakak main salah. Kakak main salah. Papa mama suruh kakak untuk lulusan. Udah cari yang lain semoga baik.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain is